Good morning, guys. So here we are on the fourth episode of my bumper challenge. Now remember in the last episode how I finished it all off, painted it, it looked really good and I was really chuffed with myself. Well, I've come out this morning and look, it looks absolutely shit. It's sort of gone like a grey colour. You can see all the spots where the filler was. It's just, I mean, it is just crap. It looked so good last night. I mean, look, you can see the spots of the where I filled. I don't know what has happened. It looked so good last night. I really do not get this at all. It's just a total and utter nightmare. So I'm going to give it a little sand off with some very fine wet and dry and try top coating it again, but last night that top coat looked so good I can't understand what has gone on. Yeah, it's just absolutely baffling me now. I mean, I've done bodywork before, but I've never experienced such a bad outcome on anything. I know I haven't finished it yet, but yeah, so maybe it was because it was getting dark and I couldn't see what I was doing properly. But yeah, I'm going to try and flat it off a little bit more, and then with any luck we'll be back to something half decent. Once I've sprayed it again, we'll be able to do the clear coat. But I was expecting to come out here and do the clear coat, but it's not going to happen now. Not like this. It's awful. Oh god, I got a terrible sense of deja vu now. Oh. Bucket of hot, warm, soapy water, 1200 grit. And a sponge. What do I do with that now? Do I have to put primer on again or top coat? I don't know. Base coat. Not sure. But let's rub down again. I don't know what to do now with that. The rest of it looks and feels okay-ish. Oh, yet more primer. Thought on the home run I really did. Halford's can did not do that. I've got splatters all over the place now. Just ridiculous. Look at that big one there. Oh, so frustrating. I don't know why that happens. Why does it happen? Anyone know? Still after all that, the phantom shit bit still shows. Oh, I just can't understand. I've sanded that down 1,000,000 times and it just keeps coming back. I just don't know what it is. It's so frustrating. The thing is, you can't feel it. That's the odd thing. You just can't feel it. It just shows. So she's going to get sprayed because I've had enough. Sod it. Let's give it another go. Got them right here. Sod it. I'm going to go for a clear coat. I've spent so much time on this. I just thought I'm going to hit it. I've got some bits of fluff in it. Can't get them out. It's not perfect. Let's just hope the colour match is good now. So there's another day in the workshop on the bumper, but hopefully that will do now, because I have now come to the decision that I'm not going to get it perfect. there's a few bits of fluff and hairs and things that have managed to jump in while I was putting the paint and lacquer on. I don't know what I'd do about that. I'd have to rub it down and start again. So it's not going to be perfect in my workshop. It's not a perfectly clean environment. It's an old dusty workshop, so I think I've done as good as I could considering what I had, really, and considering it's not really supposed to be a permanent fixture. It's just going on for temporarily while I do the other bumper. So the other bumper I'm probably going to make some kind of booth or something to keep it dust free, and luckily there's no damage on that, so it just needs a gentle sand down and hopefully not too much base coat, and then lacquer. The lacquer I might get someone else to do, because I really struggle with lacquer. Really hurts trying to hold the can up, because you've got to do it all in one, otherwise if one bit dries and you overspray it with another bit, you get like horrible white spots. So yeah, I might give it a go, but I suppose I can always rub it down and start again. Hopefully I've got no runs in this, and next video I'll probably be taking my old bumper off and putting this one on, and hopefully it'll be a similar colour, or the same would be perfect, but we can't be too choosy, can we? This is Porsche silver, the proper silver for the car. I decided not to bother with the other paints. I was going to just slap a load of other paints on, but I put the proper one on just to see if it does match, because then I can buy some more of the same. So yeah, hopefully it's a good match, and then I can buy some more of that same expensive paint and use that on my other bumper. So it's just an experiment, really, and to see if I could repair a written off bumper, which I think I've done quite well, considering I can't see any of the damage anymore that was on the top, so that's a bonus. Okay, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe and all that stuff, and if you'd like to sponsor one of my videos, please get in touch. Cheers.